Hello again. Someone is asking, where does English come from? So today I will speak about English. What is English? Well, I live in Wiltshire in England and I speak English. This is English. But how is it made? Well, 2,000 years ago, there was no English here. The people here spoke an old British language that would eventually become Welsh. It became part of the Roman Empire, so some Latin was added, and that was mixed for 400 years. Lovely. And then came the Anglo-Saxons. The Anglo-Saxons pushed the Welsh language out until all that was left were a few words. So I can see Tor, which is a prominent hill. I can see crag, which is a rocky cliff. And I can see lots of place names, including lots of river names. I can see Avon. We have a river near here called the River Avon. Avon is the old word for river in the British language. So River Avon means river. Anyway, the Anglo-Saxon language took over. And although it's less than a third of modern English, it is a very important third, because all the words that we use every day, or most of the words that we use every day, come from this. So if I say, I like to play, all those words come from here. Then the Anglo-Saxons became Christian, and the language of the Catholic Church was Latin. So a little bit of Latin came into Anglo-Saxon. Not a lot, only a little bit. And then came the Vikings. The Vikings spoke a language called Old Norse, which was very similar to Anglo-Saxon. But there were words in here like sky, window, happy, and a lot more. And that was added, and we just begin to mix it when suddenly the Normans came. The Normans spoke Old French, which was 70% Latin. They won at the Battle of Hastings. They killed the king and got rid of all the important people. So then here we had rich Normans speaking Old French and poor Anglo-Saxons. The Anglo-Saxons made the food and the rich Normans ate the food. So from Anglo-Saxon we get words like cow, pig, deer, and the meat name comes from Old French, which is beef, pork and venison. Eventually these two languages came together and we have to mix them for a few hundred years. Then we add some words from Italian. All the musical words in English come from Italian. So we have tempo and duo. Tempo is how fast something happens, and duo is two of something. Then we have some more modern French words, camouflage and chic, for example. And all the scientists like to use Latin and Greek. So we have words like telephone, aquarium and vaccine. And then we had the British Empire. And so we brought words from all over the world, especially India. So we have words like shampoo and avatar and pyjamas. And then we mix it all up. And we have English. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.